Today we'll be learning about energy. Every second of every day, the sun pumps up energy towards Earth, firing our planet with light and life. Though you cannot always see it, energy is everywhere you look. It's locked in the atoms, jiggling inside things, and it keeps the heart that pumps blood through your veins beating steadily. It shoots comets through space and makes trees reach for the sky. Energy is the secret power behind everything in our world. The topics to be covered are: what is energy, types of energy, converting energy, measuring energy, energy waves, energy sources, and some interesting facts. Moving further, what is energy? Things happen because forces push and pull, and whenever forces are at work, energy is needed to power them. Mass, the ordinary matter around us, is another kind of energy. Tiny amounts of mass can be converted into a huge amount of energy. Types of energies. Energy can exist in many different forms, most of which can be converted into other forms. When you burn a lump of coal, you change the chemical energy locked inside the coal into heat. If you do this in a power station, you can convert the heat energy into electricity. Once energy is in electric form, it is easy to change it into movement, light, heat, sound, or virtually any other kind of energy. Kinetic energy. Moving things have kinetic energy. The heavier and faster they are, the more kinetic energy they have. Electrical energy. Electricity is energy carried by charged particles called electrons moving through wires. Heat energy. Hot things have more energy than cold ones because the atoms inside them jiggle around more quickly. Chemical energy. Food, fuel, and batteries store energy within the chemical compounds they are made of. Light energy. Light travels at high speed and in straight lines. Like radio waves and X-rays, it is a type of electromagnetic energy. Sound energy. When objects vibrate, they send energy waves traveling through the air, which we hear as sounds. Potential energy. This is stored energy. Climb something and you store potential energy to jump, roll, or dive back down. Nuclear energy. Atoms are bound together by energy, which they release when they split apart in nuclear reactions. Dark energy. Most of the universe's energy is in the form of mysterious dark energy. No one really knows what it is. Converting energy. There's a fixed amount of energy in the universe. When we think we are using energy, we are really just converting it into a different form. The total energy before something happens is exactly same to the total energy afterwards. Secret solar power. Almost all action on Earth, even cycling, is ultimately powered by the sunlight. As you pedal a bike, your muscles use energy from food, the fuel we get from animals and plants. Animals also eat plants, which absorb energy from the sun as they grow. Measuring energy. We measure energy in the units called joules, named after English physicist James Joule, who investigated energy forms. 1 joule. When you lift a lemon weighing 100 gram, 3.5 oz, up in the air to a height of 1 meter, 3.3 feet, you use 1 joule of energy to work against the force of gravity. Energy waves. When energy moves through materials such as air and water, it travels as waves. We can see waves on water, but we cannot see light waves or seismic waves carrying earthquakes underground. There are two kinds of energy waves, transverse waves and longitudinal wave. The first one, transverse waves. Ocean waves are transverse. As energy races over the surface, the water moves up and down while traveling forward. Longitudinal waves. As you bang a drum, the air is squeezed and stretched. As the sound waves race towards your ears. Energy sources, cooking, heating, traveling, and making things, all these need energy. Prehistoric people relied on fire for their energy needs, but today we use a wide range of energy sources. Some energy sources, such as the petrol that powers our car, are in limited supply. Renewable energy comes from unlimited natural sources, including sunlight, wind, and waves. Timeline of energy. Fire. Prehistoric people burned wood, peat, and animal dung to release heat. Animal power. Ancient people rode animals and used them to carry goods from place to place. Wind energy was harnessed by sailing ships and windmills in medieval times. Coal. In the 18th and 19th centuries, coal was burned to power engines and machinery. Oil. Oil became the fuel for road vehicles, ships, and planes in the 20th century. Nuclear power. In the mid 20th century, scientists learned how to release energy by splitting atoms. Renewables. In the future, we may depend on sources such as wind, solar, and wave power. Do you know that one uranium pellet is equivalent to 3.5 barrels of oil, which is also equal to 807 kg of coal, which is also equal to 481 cubic meter of natural gas. Hit the like and the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you.